Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce with tomato sauce. We'll begin by selecting the right base. A good quality 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes is ideal. You'll also need about 3 cloves of fresh garlic, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. For an extra layer of freshness, have some fresh basil on hand. This simple combination forms the foundation of a delicious sauce. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Heat about 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté them gently for about 1 minute, just until they become fragrant. It's crucial not to let the garlic brown or burn, as this can give your sauce an unpleasant bitter taste. Keep a close eye on it. With your aromatics ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for at least 20 minutes or up to 45 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As your marinara sauce finishes simmering, it's time for those final touches. Just before serving, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped basil. This adds a vibrant, fresh aroma and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt or pepper if necessary. Your homemade marinara sauce is now ready. It's perfect over your favorite pasta or as a base for many other delicious Italian meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.